Hey, Ben Finley here at MarineMax in Panama City Beach. Today we're going to look at this 2027 Boston Whaler 210 Montauk. Everything you see here is a full package, boat, motor, trailer. The boat's been outfitted here with the platinum hull sides and the full hull color with the chrome graphics and a white trim package on the T-top. Let's step aboard and see what the inside of the boat has to offer. Now we're up here on the bow of the 210 Montauk. We have a great space up here for seating, as well as you can remove these, have a big casting platform, have your trolling motor panel right up front there, and as well as a nice insulated box. It's all finished out well and keep your catch cold all day. For the console, you have an igloo cooler as well as an extra seat. So we come back here to the helm. We'll have a 7-inch Simrad display, your JL Audio head unit, and everything switching on the boat, tachometers, everything you need. Nice, simple, easy for the day. So we come back here towards the cockpit of the boat. Have a nice live well underneath your landing post, as well as some extra tackle storage. And the rear jump seats with your batteries and pumps situated underneath. If you'd like more information on the 210 Montauk or like to schedule an appointment, give me a call at 706-455-0468.